Top 5 Ceiling Fans with Lights 2017. Number 5. Kinmarma Ltd Caliber BPT48 Frosted Glass 1 Bulb Light Kit. Caliber 48-inch 1 light type. 5-blade ceiling fan. Has 3 reversible blades that can change from gray on one side. Includes a canopy-type handheld remote that provides 3 speeds and a light dimmer. Has a double montage complete with frosted glass kit. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. 44-inch Casa Habitat Brushed Steel Hugger Ceiling Fan. Casa Habitat Ceiling Fan, Hugger Style Ceiling Fan Design. Brushed steel finish motor. With reversible silver, white blades. Frosted white glass light kit, whole chain operation. Includes 2 60-watt bulbs. 44-inch blade span, fan height 6.5-inch ceiling to blade. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. 721-6100 Solana 48-inch. Unique Tool-Light 48-inch 2-blade indoor ceiling. Fan for rooms up to 144 square feet. 3 fan speeds, high, medium and low. Energy usage, 49 watts without light. Airflow efficiency, 68 CFM per watt. Lifetime motor warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Emerson Ceiling Fans CF144WW. The Kavaskai is a 44-inch indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. With appliance white blades and opal matte glass. This Emerson ceiling fan is wet location approved. Includes 3 weather-resistant blades. Integrated light fixture and removable no-light plate white ceiling fan. Kavaskai Emerson fans include a 6-speed remote control with receiver. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Hunter 53237 Builder Plus 52-inch ceiling fan. Whisper wind motor delivers ultra-powerful air movement. Installer's choice 3-position mounting system allows. Included pull chain allows for quick and easy on, off, and speed adjustments. Includes 3 light fitter with swirled marble glass. 360-watt candelabra incandescent bulbs included. Limited lifetime motor warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices.